In this video, we'll talk about some of the arithmetic operations that are available in Python. I'll take a variable I, will assign it with the value 15 and j with value 10. We'll take a print statement here, and to make readable, I'm gonna add each of its operation type as a string and second parameter with the operator and operands. There are I plus j. Save it and run it. Here you can see addition is 25. Now copy the same statement in order to showcase. Here it is subtraction. Save it, run it. Here subtraction. Now let's see multiplication. Instead of here we use asterisk. Save it, run it. Here you go. Now let's see division. Div. Here we use divided by or slash. The result is 1.5. Fine. So these are the very basic. So what else we have in Python? Python we have say exponential. Okay, I have it in my exponential, which means the power 2. Okay, that is denoted by a double stars. Save it, run it. Here is your output. We also have something called reminder or modulus. So this is called modulus operator. This doesn't give you any percentage, but it gives the reminder when you divide I by j. Run it. You can see reminder is 5. Cool. So the last one is floor division. Floor division instead of single division, I'm gonna use double division, which means that, see, in the division we have 1.0. This floor division means it ignores the value of the decimal part. Okay, it is the output. See, the normal division will give you the exact output. For floor division, it will give you only the real number but not the decimal value. The decimal value will be ignored. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.